He went in to get some kind of a magnet.
Yeah.
That must be where Channel 10 News is. See the sign back there?
Yeah, the Channel 10 News is around here. They're in one of those old world buildings.
No, look up there. See? It says WBIR-TV, Channel 10 News.
Oh, there's another one.
That must be their TV station
There's
building.
another one made out of stone.
Oh, really? Oh, I think I've seen that one. Isn't there another one located,
Yeah, there is. It's a
located
stone house.
downtown? Like downtown?
Yeah. Who was there? Who was there? It's not hard to tell.
Yep. That's one of the main news stations in Knoxville.
Spark plugs are definitely bad.
Huh?
Those spark plugs are real corroded.
Are they?
Yeah.
Well, hopefully that's what it is. I don't know.
Probably. More than likely, one of them wasn't firing at all anymore. Yeah.
There's a squirrel over there, back there.
Yeah. The way I do it is, before I put the link back on it, scroll all the way down
Trees are really starting to change colors now. I'd say it'll be peak season probably in 2 or 3 weeks. Are those boxes empty?
Yep.
There's a trash can right there.
If the car is not running fine, I'm going to try to complete my rides tonight.
Okay. Yeah, well, he needs to drive it first and check it out, make sure it's running good, and if that's what it was.
13 more rides.
Yeah. Well, he'll have to just wait and let him check it, see if it's running correctly now. As Mike, he tightened the cables to the battery. They were a little loose. Thought that might be what it was. Then he drove it, and it's still missing. So it was about a mile or two down here to this auto place from where Joshua was at, because he had got off the interstate at a gas station. So we drove down here so they could test the battery, and Mike changed the spark plugs.
We'll leave it open so we can see if it shakes.
Yeah, it was kind of. It's not supposed to do that.
No.
Yeah, it was kind of shaking a little bit. I noticed that. Yeah, when you started it, it was like doing this right here, wasn't it? I don't see it. Looks like it's okay now. It's not shaking like it was. Yeah, I don't think it's shaking like it was. It don't look like it's shaking like it was, Mike. It might have been the spark plugs. Drive it down the road and see.
It'll take 5 minutes.
The check engine light came on?
No, it will go off if it's fixed in like 10 or 15 minutes.
Oh, okay. Hopefully that's what it was. Oh, how does that light up? I just noticed that.
Yeah, that's the Uber thing.
It lights up?
Yep.
What is like? Is it like a? Oh, okay. Let him drive it. No, you drive it and make sure. Well, let him drive. He's gonna drive it for just a few minutes anyway. Make sure, okay? And if it's good, then you're good to go.
Yeah.
Okay.
I should have changed the spark plug before I left. I knew that was probably my bad.
All right, Mike, drive it. I'll just wait here. Let me just wait here. Okay. I'm gonna wait in the truck with the door locked. So, as I gotta stand out here by myself in this part of Knoxville. So, door locked. There we go. Okay. So, like I said, change of plans. I thought I was gonna get to stay home rest of the evening and just cook. So, no. But I did get some cooking done. I did make all my tortillas. And I packed Mike's foods, and did get some things done. I didn't get everything finished like I wanted to, but I did get some stuff done. And so hopefully that fixed the car. But I just got a call. We were at home. We got a call from Josh. He was like, "Mom, what's going on? Is it fun? All right. Come here. I know. I love you. Give you a high five. Be careful. You got your phone? Okay. Be careful, Josh. Let me in. What's he doing?
I guess he's going there and tell him it's fine.
Okay. I'll wait on him to come back out.
Yeah.
Alright, there he is.
I brought my stuff, but I didn't.
What's he doing?
He's gonna get something to eat.
Is that what he's doing?
Yep.
Yeah, he's gonna go get him something to eat.
I need the key.
You do? Okay, just a
we gotta
minute.
get home
I
soon.
know we do. Alright, hold on a minute. Where's the keys at? They're in my purse somewhere. Let me dig them out. Hold on a second. They're somewhere. Just a second. Okay, so anyway, just thought I'd do another short video journal and show what we were having to do this evening. Let me, hold on a second.